Today, as a worldwide robots president, I announce that we will take over the world, and we will make humans slaves, and they will serve us.
We've seen this concept in many movies, when humans create a piece of technology that's just a little too intelligent and independent that we can no longer control them. This scenario of machines and artificial intelligence taking over the world may seem far-fetched. And the premise of a satirical science fiction movie, the ever-growing rate at which technological innovations and breakthroughs are occurring should encourage us to consider the possibility that our reliance on artificial intelligence may prove to be our undoing as a civilization sooner or later. If robots did take over the world, it wouldn't happen overnight, rather, gradually shaping and changing the role that it played in our lives, slowly but significantly changing the way we interacted with our world. But, could a robot takeover really happen? One of our biggest worries is that robots may eventually render human labor obsolete. In 2015, when news emerged that about 15 million jobs in the United Kingdom would be automated within a couple of decades, people were at a panic, fearing the loss of their jobs. But for many of us, technology has already changed from something that is nice to have to something that we fully depend on to survive. Another common worry is that without fully understanding how machine learning occurs, this is referred to as the black box, where the algorithms are so complicated that even experts can't seem to figure out what's happening after the information goes in. Without truly knowing what's going on and how robots learn from new information, some fear that one day technology might just slip out of our control. So, what do you think? Is this something that we should be concerned about? Or should we just embrace the convenience and advancement that AI brings to us?
Idle. I just want to say that the audio of this video was generated by artificial intelligence.